So hello everyone, welcome to a new show from Sayed Tricks. I am Sayed Behij, and also today we have a very special video about the Apple iPhone 14, the new brand phone from Apple company. So these days there is all about the iPhone 14, the news, the sites, everything is talking about this product from Apple company. So today we have some information to share with you guys. Before I start the video, make sure to subscribe the channel, press the notification bell, and also don't forget to like this video and share your comments. So let's jump on to the video. So the Apple iPhone 14 will be out at 2022 September. This phone will be launched with a new design and the new sizes. The Apple iPhone 14, the notch changed and it's a notchless display with a hole punch camera and also flash rear cameras and more. So instead of notch, the pill-shaped camera cut out, and also the hole punch came out to the display of this phone, and also no rear camera bump that in other phones like iPhone 12 the camera bump was so big, and this one doesn't have a camera bump. And also Qualcomm X65 modem will be used in this phone. So the Apple iPhone 14 made a best news and also surprises for the customers of the Apple because of the new design and also removing the notch from the display. So instead of the A15 Bionic chip, they use A16 chip in iPhone 14. So thanks for watching this video. See you guys in the next show. Bye bye.